Hello students, hope you all are with good health and safe at home. In last video, we have discussed about the health, food and some nutrients of food. You have learnt about importance of balanced diet for our body, and in today's video we will discuss about the vitamins and minerals, water and roughage. Let us start with vitamins and minerals. What are vitamins and minerals? Vitamins and minerals are protective components. They protect our body from diseases by fighting with them and make us fit. Vitamins are of different kinds and accordingly they have their purposes in our body. The different vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and we get vitamins from green leafy vegetables, fruits and fish. Further, why minerals are required in our body? Minerals are required because they help in the formation of teeth, bones and blood. We obtain minerals from fresh fruits, milk, vegetables, etc. Next, we have water. Water is essential for our survival. The 70% of our body weight is of water. An average adult must drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Do you know that water doesn't contain any nutrient, but still it is essential? Why? Let us come to know from its function in our body. First is, it helps in digestion of food that we eat. Second, it acts as medium for various processes in our body. Means the processes in our body occur through the water. Third, the sweat and urine both are waste of our body and are in liquid form. That is, they both are formed from water and are removed as waste products. Fourth is, our body temperature is also maintained by water. It makes our body at normal temperature and it keeps our body hydrated. That is, if any chemicals form acidity in our body, water combines with it and make our body neutral. Now, what is roughage? The undigested fiber present in the plant food is called roughage. It is found in pulses, cereals and leafy vegetables such as spinach and cabbage. What are the functions of roughage? Roughage helps in the digestion of food by adding bulk in it. Bulk means mass or a heavy thing. It prevents constipation and also helps in the bowel movements. Constipation means condition in which it is difficult to empty bowels. Bowels means a part below our stomach, or you call it as intestine. It keeps our digestive system healthy. Nextly, to become healthy, exercise regularly. The benefits of exercise are: exercise make our muscles and bones strong. Regular exercise improve our blood circulation by the movement of our body parts. It also keep our body in a good shape. Our next topic is correct posture. Before reaching to the correct posture, you must know about the Posture. Posture refers to a position in which we hold our body while sitting, standing, walking, or lying down. And correct posture means holding correct position of body. That is, our back always remains straight while sitting, standing, walking, and lying down. The benefits of correct posture are: it prevents backache, muscular pain, strain, and stress on body parts. Strain means forced to make unusual work. Stress means pressure or tension. It gives smart appearance to our body. So, this is all about water roughage, exercise, and correct posture. Let us discuss the spell-bee words from today's content, that are digestion, urine, hydrated, temperature, roughage, fiber, bowel, circulation, posture, backache, strain, stress. Now the questions that can be prepared from the today's content are: why vitamins and minerals are called protective components? Second, why minerals are considered in essential nutrients? Third, why water is an essential nutrient, or water does not have any nutritive value but it is an essential component for our survival. Comment this statement. Fourth, what is roughage? Fifth, what are the functions of roughage? Sixth, what are the benefits of exercise? Seventh, define the term posture. And the last question, why should we follow correct posture? So these are the questions that can be prepared from this content. Hope you all understand this video. In next video, we will discuss about the cleanliness and rest. Thanks.